Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I'm here with a new video about the technical analysis of Euro USD. So friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then first of all please subscribe the YouTube channel and also press the bell button so that you can get the technical analysis daily from my side. Okay, now let's talk about the Euro USD. I was looking on Euro USD. Now today if we look at the pattern, then we can see Euro USD has been dropped at the level and it has touched the Fibonacci 38.2 level at the moment. Okay, now going to the higher time frames, if you look at the 4-hour chart, it's giving the sell signal that it's going down, and going to the daily chart, it's somewhere in the middle, so not clear about this. But when we look on the daily weekly chart, the weekly chart is saying that if you look at the pattern here, then the market has sustained at this level. It means that it is getting stability at this level and we can expect the upward trend from this level. So guys, just keep down in your mind that the next level can be 1.15010. I'm completely bullish on Euro USD, and even if we go to the monthly chart, then you can see that the market has touched the 23% level of Fibonacci, and after that it's pumping up. So on the basis of the weekly candle and on the basis of the monthly, I am bullish on Euro USD, and that's what I am expecting, that the market will gain some momentum tomorrow and we will see that the market can reach to 113.3378 and maybe more than this. But overall on the weekly and monthly basis, I am bullish on Euro USD. Now let's attach the 200 Forex pip system so that we can understand this thing, that what's 200 Forex pip system is saying. Okay, now you can see the market is just below the dotted line. If it breaks the level above, if it breaks above the dotted line, then it will be into the bullish zone as per the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we are getting the sell signal, like as I have explained, as per Fibonacci. On the daily, it's above the dotted line, so bullish signal here. And if we talk about the weekly chart, so guys, one more thing, if you look at this pattern here, the red bands are now getting closer to each other and they are giving us that something is going to happen big in this market. So that is why I am saying the bands can change anytime, they can went up. So I am expecting that Euro USD will gain some momentum, and even on the even if you look at the monthly chart, then the market is just above the oversold level. So expecting a recovery on Euro USD in tomorrow, or maybe it can also happen during the US session. Let's attach the scalper so that if we see any signal from the scalper, we do not have any signal. On the 4-hour chart, we have a down signal. I mean, you know that I am giving the signal based on the weekly chart, but on the 4-hour chart, we have received a sell signal from the scalper. The market is just slightly making the bearish pattern. Let's see, but we do not have any signal on the monthly. It has provided us with the sell signal from 1st of May, and the market has dropped. Scalper was right here. Okay, now let's test this thing on price action monitor so that we can see that what's going on as per the price action monitor. Okay guys, it's giving us somehow a bullish signal on 1 hour. On the 4-hour, it should be bearish because you know that we also have received a sell signal from the scalper. On the daily chart, a buy signal has received from here. You can see the white signal has appeared. And the weekly chart, okay, we have a buy signal here, but still the market has not went anywhere, because if you look at the pattern here, the market is just leaning at this level. So it's a very good sign that the market is just stable at this level. So we can expect a recovery, that the drop is not further coming. And as per Fibonacci, you can see it has already moved up after touching the 23.6 level. So overall guys, I'm bullish on Euro USD. So let's see how and when it goes bullish. But overall, this prediction is based on weekly and the monthly analysis. Thank you for watching the video. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that I have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on this email, info@200forexwebs.com. You can also join my Telegram channel, so that guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.